Glasgow, Scotland's largest city and a vibrant hub of culture, innovation, and history, has long been a place of transformation and resilience. Its story is a testament to the enduring spirit of a community that has continuously reinvented itself over centuries. Today, we will explore the fascinating journey of Glasgow from its early origins to its contemporary identity, highlighting key aspects that make it a unique and compelling city. Let's start with its origins. The name Glasgow is believed to derive from the Gaelic Glashu, meaning green place or dear green place. This lush landscape was inhabited by early Celtic communities long before the city's official founding. The city's strategic location on the River Clyde made it an important settlement in medieval times, serving as a trading port and a centre for commerce. Over time, Glasgow grew from a modest town into a major port and industrial centre during the Industrial Revolution, driven by the booming shipbuilding, textiles, and engineering industries. The 18th and 19th centuries marked a period of rapid expansion for Glasgow. The city's population soared as people flocked in search of work, transforming it into one of the most important industrial cities in Britain. The River Clyde became renowned worldwide for its shipbuilding prowess, producing iconic vessels such as the RMS Queen Mary and many other famous ships. This thriving industry earned Glasgow the nickname Second City of the British Empire during this era, reflecting its significant contribution to the empire's maritime dominance. Architecturally, Glasgow is a treasure trove. The city's skyline is a captivating blend of historic and modern structures. Victorian and Edwardian buildings, such as the Glasgow City Chambers and the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, showcase intricate stonework, grand facades, and elaborate ornamentation typical of their eras. These landmarks are not just beautiful but also serve as symbols of Glasgow's rich cultural heritage. In recent decades, the city has embraced contemporary architecture, with innovative designs like the Hydro Arena and the SSE Hydro, which host concerts and events, adding a modern flair to the cityscape. Culturally, Glasgow is a powerhouse. It boasts numerous theaters, galleries, music venues, and festivals that celebrate its diverse artistic scene. The city's music history is particularly notable, having given rise to bands like Simple Minds, Franz Ferdinand, and Churches. The city hosts the Glasgow International Festival of Visual Art and is home to the renowned Glasgow School of Art, designed by the celebrated architect Charles Rennie Mackintosh. Mackintosh's influence is omnipresent, with his distinctive Art Nouveau style reflected in many buildings and artworks around the city. Education and innovation continue to play vital roles in Glasgow's development. The University of Glasgow, founded in 1451, is one of the oldest universities in the English-speaking world. It has contributed significantly to scientific research, medicine, and the humanities. Today, Glasgow remains a hub of education, fostering young talent and encouraging research in fields like biomedical sciences, engineering, and social sciences. The economy of Glasgow has undergone substantial change over the past few decades. Once dominated by heavy industry and shipbuilding, the city has successfully transitioned toward a service-oriented economy. Financial services, digital media, biosciences, and tourism are now vital sectors. The city's regeneration projects have transformed former industrial sites into vibrant neighborhoods with residential complexes, parks, and cultural institutions. A perfect example of this transformation is the Merchant City area, which has evolved from warehouses and factories into a lively district filled with cafes, boutiques, and art galleries. Similarly, the Glasgow Science Centre and the Riverside Museum serve as both educational resources and tourist attractions, emphasizing the city's commitment to innovation and community engagement. Glasgow's commitment to sustainability and green initiatives is evident in its urban planning. The city boasts numerous parks and green spaces, including the vast Kelvingrove Park and the Botanic Gardens, providing residents and visitors with places to relax and connect with nature. Moreover, Glasgow has set ambitious goals to reduce carbon emissions and promote renewable energy, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. The city's diverse population contributes to its vibrant social fabric. Glasgow has long been a welcoming place for immigrants, including Irish, Italian, Pakistani, and Eastern European communities. This multiculturalism is reflected in the city's culinary scene, festivals, and community life. The lively West End, for example, is renowned for its eclectic restaurants, lively pubs, and bohemian atmosphere, drawing locals and tourists alike. Sports also play a significant role in Glasgow's identity. The city is home to some of the most famous football clubs in the world, Celtic and Rangers, whose fierce rivalry is known as the Old Firm. These clubs have passionate fan bases and contribute to the city's sense of community and tradition. Beyond football, Glasgow hosts rugby, basketball, and athletics events, fostering a strong sporting culture. Transportation infrastructure in Glasgow is robust, facilitating easy movement within the city and to other parts of the UK and Europe. The Glasgow Central and Queen Street stations connect the city via train networks, while extensive bus routes and cycling paths promote eco-friendly commuting. The city's proximity to Glasgow Airport also makes it accessible for international travelers, supporting tourism and business. The city's commitment to inclusivity and social progress is evident through numerous initiatives aimed at reducing inequality and promoting cultural understanding. Community programs, arts projects, and educational outreach efforts strive to create a more equitable society, reflecting Glasgow's resilient spirit and forward-looking approach. In sum, Glasgow is a city that embodies resilience, creativity, and innovation. Its rich history, stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and dynamic economy make it a fascinating place to explore and study. Whether you're interested in its industrial past, its cultural achievements, or its future ambitions, Glasgow offers a compelling narrative of transformation and hope. The city continues to evolve, embracing modern challenges while honoring its proud heritage, making it a truly remarkable place in the heart of Scotland and the world.